Alright friends, here we're checking out another unboxing, and this is a black mask, natural charcoal peel off mask for facial cleaning. This is by Pop Modern C, and it comes with a, let's see, little spatula thing here. Deep cleansing, smooth skin, acne purifying. So this is a little kit, and it comes with well, you know what, this is unboxing, so what am I doing here? What am I talking about here? Let's unbox this bad boy, shall we? Instead of just sitting there. Oh boy, I just cut my fingernails too, so I'm gonna try to handle this for you guys, but I might have to. Oh, I will not be defeated by a little box, that's for sure. Okay. There we go. Alright, so inside we have... Dun, 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 dun. That's it for the box. And now here we have the contents. So the first thing I'm going to pull out here is that, and this is water activated bamboo charcoal. It's got denatured alcohol, polyvinyl alcohol, Caraco aloe extract, some other stuff. So this is the peel off blackhead remover. Deep cleansing, smooth skin, acne purifying. So that's that. It comes with, how many ounces is this? 3.5 fluid ounces. Okay, this is, well, I assume, oh, it's like a flexible little plastic thing, probably to, almost like a silicone. That's actually pretty cool. So probably to apply the mask on the mask. I can't take the mask off. Okay, anyways, so to apply it onto the facial area, probably with this. Pretty cool little silicone spatula there. And least but not last, we have these little tools here. There we go. Alright, so caution be advised. We have 4 little utensils here. Let's see if I can get them into my hand. And these are for piercing, poking, prodding, and pretty much anything else you want to do to those blackheads or pimples, I guess. So some sharp instruments there, as you can see. And there's 4 of these little goodies. So I'm not sure if it's advised to pop pimples or not. Well, I guess most people do, but anyways, there's a little kit to do that if you need to. Maybe get out a sliver or 2. We could do those, maybe use these for crafting as well. There's some pretty sharp little guys there. Anyways, I will actually be doing this, I think, or someone near me will, and trying this out. So it could be fun, and we'll find out how it works. Anyways, thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and I will be doing a review on this product. We'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day and take care out there.